Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add fonts to Figma. Firstly, before adding anything to Figma, make sure you've downloaded the font files to your computer. Each font style, like regular, bold, light, is its own separate file. You can find fonts on Google Fonts, DAF Font, Velvetyne, Uncut, Free Faces Gallery, Font Brief, etc. Just download every style you plan to use. Now that you've downloaded the files, install them to your system and Figma can use them. Just right-click on the font file and choose Install, or drag it into the Fonts folder via Control Panel. And once installed, the font becomes available in all your apps, including Figma. Now, this step only applies if you're using Figma in a browser. The desktop app doesn't need this. If you're in a browser, go to Figma's official site and download the Figma Font Helper, install it, and then refresh your browser. Because this tool lets Figma access the font stored on your computer, it runs locally, it's safe, and you can uninstall it anytime. Once everything is installed, you can start using your fonts right away. Open a Figma file and create a text layer or select an existing one. Use on the right sidebar to open the font drop-down and search for your installed font by name. You can also switch to the Installed by You filter to quickly find your custom fonts. After selecting your font, you can apply it to a single text layer, multiple layers, or even sections of text in the same line. Figma also remembers your last used font during your sessions, which makes working even easier. And that's all it takes. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.